Okay, I'm changing my avatar. I'm trying to find free Robux. Wait, creations? Wait, what? Not. Oh well, no bio. Okay, let me edit avatar. Okay, so I don't know what I'm doing right now. Okay, this is. Where's the manly version? Creations? Steak. This is steak. The steak YouTuber. That's the steak YouTuber. So let's just wear that. And let's go back to home. So today I'm gonna find how to log out. So first thing first, eh, oh no, settings. Is there settings? Yeah, settings. You go settings. Wait, log out. Dang. You go here. You go log out. Bruh, email. No. Okay, we're not gonna do email. I will try to find another. No, that's the only thing. Is I just logged out. Without no email. And now I cannot log in. What? Okay. I logged out. And you have to if you don't want to do the email, you have to press escape or losing account and log out. That's the first thing you have to do. And bam, that's done. So now if you want to log, like for example, if you want to create, oh wait, for example, if you want to sign up, I'm gonna do it in the next video. So so have fun and have fun on Roblox if you know how to sign in. Back. Bye. Have a great day. I just have to stop recording.